Hey friends, welcome back! If you've ever thought professional videos were only for people with fancy cameras and big budgets, think again. Today, I'll show you how to create stunning, cinematic quality video. Ready to create a talking AI avatar that moves, lip syncs, and gestures just like a real person for absolutely free? You don't need fancy gear or technical skills. And if you love discovering the best AI tools to save time or make money online, hit subscribe right now, because if you skip even one step in this video, you might miss the secret at the end that lets you unlock pro-level avatars. Today, I'll show you my favorite method for beginners using just 5 simple steps. All the tools are either free or have a free trial.
Step 1. Write your script with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, free or plus works. Type in a prompt like, write a friendly intro for an AI tech channel host, explaining how to make professional videos using only AI tools. Keep it fun and clear, less than 120 words. We will copy this output for our avatar talking later. Step 2. Create your avatar image with Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai, sign up with Google for fast access. And if you want to get unlimited credit just using one email, not temp mail, watch this video on my channel. You will know how to generate unlimited images daily. So let's move on. Type a unique prompt, for example, realistic cinematic portrait of a seductive AI presenter, cropped, stylish top with metallic accents, flawless makeup, headphones glowing softly, futuristic AI holograms in background, 16 by 9. Experiment. You can make your avatar look however you want. Add glasses, a virtual background, or even a pet if it fits your channel vibe. Download the image you like best. Step 3. Turn text into voice with Google Audio Studio. Go to Google Audio Studio or similar TTS tool. For clarity, try style instructions like read aloud in excited and friendly conversational tone. Paste your script. Play around with settings and pick the voice you'd want as your channel host. Download the audio file. Step 4. Animate the avatar with HeyGen. On HeyGen, log in, Google or temp mail methods will work. Link temp mail I will put in the description. Click Create Video, upload your avatar image, and upload your recorded voice file. Under Custom Motion, write simple likes, add hands and body movements, or let AI animate facial expressions and arm gestures. Generate and download your video. Free account, you can only create 3 avatars video, but use the temp mail methods for unlimited access. Step 5. Edit and publish. I'm using CapCut for editing my video. Now your professional talking AI avatar video is ready. No camera, no expensive software, no stress.
Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how you can make professional quality videos without fancy cameras, editing studios, or a big team. Just AI tools. That's right! With the right apps and a little creativity, you can write your script, generate your visuals, add music, and even polish your editing, all powered by AI.
If this guide helped you out, hit like and share your favorite tool below. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on AI tutorials from the Vincent AI. Next time, I'll show you how to make your avatar speak in any language with just one click. See you next time. Bye-bye.